In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create rolling credits in After Effects. First, make sure your composition is open and ready. The first thing you need to do is select the Type tool. You can find this at the top bar. Click on it and then click anywhere inside the preview window to create a text layer. Now, you can either type out your credits or copy and paste them if you have them written down already. Once you have your credits in place, you'll want to align the text in the center of the screen. To do that, go to the Align window, which you'll find on the right panel. Click the icon to align the text horizontally in the middle, and then click the vertical align icon to center the text vertically as well. Now, your credits should be centered perfectly on the screen. Next, if you want to adjust the text appearance, you can do that in the Text panel. You can change the font size, adjust the color, or even make the text bold, depending on your style. Once you're happy with how the text looks, it's time to add names or titles into the credits. To add names, simply click on the text in the preview window, move your cursor to the end of the title, and press Enter to bring the cursor down to the next line. Now you can type the name. If you want to differentiate between the titles and the names, you can highlight the name, go back to the Text panel, and disable the bold option. You can also make the name slightly smaller to give it a different look. Repeat this step for all the names in your credits. Now, let's create the rolling animation. First, make sure the text layer is selected. Move the playhead to the start of the text layer and press P on your keyboard to bring up the position settings. Here, you don't need to adjust the X values, just the Y values. Click the diamond icon to create your first keyframe. Then, change the Y value until the text moves out of the frame at the bottom. Next, move the playhead to the end of the text layer and change the Y value again, this time until the text moves completely out of the frame at the top. Now, if you play back the video, you'll see your rolling credits animation. If you want to change the speed of the rolling effect, simply adjust the distance between the keyframes. Moving the keyframes closer together will make the credits roll faster. Dragging them further apart will slow down the movement. And that's how you create rolling credits in After Effects.